we need to figure out how we're going to give these away so that you get an Angelito and you get an Angelito and you get an Angelito. We've got quite a few. I've got 12 here. Hey everybody, this is Danny with MyFigStix, y'all. Today I want to give you an update on the single node Angelito challenge. It's been a little while since I have given y'all any kind of update on this, but I want to quickly, and I hate to say quickly because every time I do that, I turn the video into like 20 minutes, but I'm gonna try to do this under 8 minutes. So there's my challenge, my newest challenge. Single node challenge under 8 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna review what I have, the good, the bad, the ugly. Let's go. Okay, let's talk about the good. Then we'll go to the bad, then we'll go to the ugly, and then we'll come back to the good again. But y'all, I am so excited to tell you all of these right here are, well, 10 of these 12 right here are up potted, ready to go. I want to give them, they've been up potted for 2 weeks, I think 2 weeks, and they have shown no ill effects of the up pot. So 10 of these, I feel we're almost ready to go with the giveaway. I need to get with Figgy Ed to figure out how all of this is going to work. I do have 2 back here that I haven't been able to up pot yet. They have good roots. This one actually, actually has never put on any top growth, but he's establishing good roots. So I'm kind of waiting on that one. This one looking very good, but the root system is just not ready to up pot. All of these others are ready to go. So I've got 10 of these. Y'all, look at this one. Look how pretty that is. Look at this one. This one is absolutely nuts. Look at that. That is a single node Angelito looking super fantastic. All of these right here are looking really, really good. I'm excited about this. So we'll recap a little bit. Y'all probably heard Figgy Ed, Jeremy, Ben, myself talk about this, but Eddie gave Ben at Aeratip Gardens, Jeremy, Jay's Figs TX, and myself, MyFigStix, these really tight single nodes and challenged us, not against each other, but against the cuttings to see if we could root these single node Angelitos. And then the challenge was, hey, whatever we can root, Figgy Ed is going to give away to all of you. So that's the exciting part. I'm happy to say I've got 10 ready to go, but let's talk about the bad. So the bad is a few cuttings that I had root. They looked really good, and then something happened. So let me get these right here. These 6. I don't know exactly what happened to these. They put on roots, they put on top growth, and slowly but surely, all of the top growth died, and all of the roots dried up to where they're basically nothing at this point. This is what I think happened to these. Y'all, I have been fighting fungus gnats all year long. I now have natural. I'm trying that. I think you just got to stay on top of it. That has been, I think I'm going to do another cutting review, but it's going to be like mistakes I made, mistakes to avoid. I don't know. I'm going to come up with something on that. But I think fungus gnats got into all of these and destroyed my roots. That's the only thing I can come up with. I've been fighting fungus gnats all season. I've tried malathion. I've tried numerous things. I've tried the mosquito bits. That didn't even touch them. The malathion worked, but it's so strong, I can't do that indoors. And that's where I think this got affected. I think those fungus gnats were in here. They got going. None of these were, or all of these were indoors of sorts. These were all ones that were in the office, not under the grow lights. So all I could do is water them, maybe fertilize them. I couldn't put any kind of poisons in them because I had them in my house. And that malathion is so strong. Now, the natural that I'm trying now, I can't even smell it. It puts off no aroma. I don't know how it works like that, but I just started it. These all have 1 dose of natural, and that's it. So I'm going to see how that works, but I hear really good things about the natural. Lots of people recommend it. I've got to get these gnats under control, these fungus gnats. I think I may have called them fig gnats, but they're fungus gnats. There is a little bit of a difference. But I think that's what got all of these. So here's the good, here's the bad. Now let's talk about the ugly. The ugly part of this are all of those single nodes that I started in sand. Y'all, I want you to see this. All of these right here, dead. Dead, 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 dead. Dead. Every one of these was started in sand, and they're all dead. Y'all, I have struggled with sand. Since I started trying to up pot sand cuttings, I've made no excuses. It's me. I assume I cannot figure out how to go from sand to soil. And I've tried potting mix. I've tried just straight pro mix. Everything I've tried with sand has failed. One cutting. I have one cutting. It's over here somewhere. I think it's the Indijan. I can't. Yeah, I think that's the one. The Indijan. I think that was the one. It was in a sand perlite pop. The only sand cutting that I still have alive, and it's doing great. Look at this thing. Look, fantastic. This guy is kicking it, right? But that is definitely a standout. It's the only one in sand. All of these Angelito single nodes in sand are dead. Now, I think I want to pull one of them up. I just want to see what kind of roots we actually have under there. Look, this one just rotted away completely, gone. There's not even a cutting in there anymore. Let's try this one because we can actually see it. I don't have a pot. I'll just dump it in this. So I just kind of want to dig this guy up and see if it had roots. Did fig gnats get these? I don't think so. I mean, these all came out of sand. So, I mean, it has roots, but it just won't do anything. I mean, literally the top of it's just gone. I mean, all of the bark is flaking off of it. These are the same roots that came up when, this is the one, if you remember back, maybe I can find a clip of it. This was the one I wanted to try to cut in pieces. I had it laying, but it only rooted at the bottom. Oh, it's the same roots. It's the same roots that it's had all along. Sand is definitely my nemesis. I'm to the point now where I don't even think I'm going to try sand anymore. I'm certainly not going to try sand on any kind of, I'll just say bougie fig cuttings. If I try sand, it'll be on some of my own cuttings, maybe some brown turkey, maybe some Celeste, and maybe I can figure something out. But I hate to say that all of these, what is that, 3, 6, 9, that's 12. That's a dozen single nodes, Angelito cuttings, dead because of sand. So this all goes in the trash. These all go in the trash. These, I do believe this was all on me. That's trying to figure out the fungus gnat issue. So I'm taking blame for these. I mean, I'll take blame for the sand, but y'all, the sand is just not my friend at all. Okay, so I want to finish on a high note, on a good note again. All of these right here, 10 of these 12, there's 12 in this tray right here. 10 of these are probably ready to go. Like I said, I up potted these a couple of weeks ago. Are they huge? No. Are they free? Yes, they are. So I will get with Eddie. Eddie, if you're watching, comment on this. I'll tag you in it as well. We need to figure out how we're going to give these away so that you get an Angelito and you get an Angelito and you get an Angelito. We've got quite a few. I've got 12 here. I feel pretty confident we will be able to give away. I think Ben's probably got plenty more than that. Jeremy's got 8 or 10 as well. I know Figgy Ed has 10 or 12 too. So y'all, tune in. Stick with us, stick with Figgy Ed, and we will put together what we're going to do, how we're going to do this giveaway. What do we have to do to give these Angelito single nodes away? Y'all, it's been a lot of fun. I've actually learned a lot. All of these with the fungus gnats, I learned a lot. Even though I lost all the ones in sand, I learned a lot. Single node is a possibility. I will definitely be doing this again. I am not, I am super impressed with single nodes. Y'all, Ben's got this down. This was my first try at single nodes. Ben at Arid Tip Gardens has really fine-tuned this process. Y'all check his channel out. He's got lots and lots of videos on how to do this. But that said, Figgy Ed, let's give away some Angelitos. We want to give all of our viewers a chance to win these. Stay tuned for how we're going to pull that off, y'all. Thanks for watching.